This is a Bear Grylls fire starter. Picked this up not too long ago. Ain't really had a chance to try it out yet, but I want to get it on camera first time I try it out. See if it's something I'd buy another one of, or just to give it my overall opinion. What I'm using is the inner bark of a fallen dead oak tree. It's like a real paper thin substance, and it's pretty dry, so it should take off pretty decent. There we go. Yes, sirree. I'd buy another one. That worked pretty good. I'm using some small twigs for right now. I ain't trying to build a real big fire. This is going to be a little cook fire. I'm going to get me a nice little bed of coals going. My canteen cook set, which I might try to tape some of the process here. It comes with a little like oven bottom, and you sit down on the ashes and set your cup on top of it to cook in. Like I said, I might video some of that, but I want to get this on film of the Bear Grylls fire starter. Got this from Walmart. I think it was around like 14 bucks, something like that, which is pretty decent. I mean, the back end of it back here has a stopper where you can put tinder in there, which is real nice. It also comes with a whistle on it. I think it's worth it. But anyway, I'm gonna getting my stuff done here. It's supposed to be a decent day today. Right now it's still a little bit chilly, but the sun's poking out. It's starting to get nice. I'll see you in the next one.